Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Kashmir Food Fusion. Click on the subscribe button here to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button to remain updated. Today we are going to make a very simple tomato and bell pepper curry for you. This dish is very simple to make at home and easy and cooks quickly. We have made it in a Kashmiri way, the way we make it at home. It is spicy but it tastes really good. So please try it at home. The ingredients that I have used here in this recipe are 7 to 8 tomatoes, and I have made a puree of them at home. Then I have used 4 to 5 green bell peppers. I have used 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, ground spices like cinnamon, cardamom, and 1 tablespoon each of ginger powder, saunf powder, salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder. So these are all the spices and ingredients used here. First of all, we will pour the tomato puree into a pressure cooker. Then we will add the ginger garlic paste into it. We cook it in a pressure cooker because the water leaves the tomatoes quickly and they get fried in it. Now we will add all the spices into it. Give it a stir and then we will add some oil. Like I said, the tomatoes, they reduce in the pressure cooker and they get half fried in it. So we have added the oil also. Now give it a stir. Now I will cook it on high flame until 4 or 5 whistles. Leave it. And we will make the preparations for the bell pepper. We will chop the bell peppers into small pieces. You can chop them according to your own preference. I've used bigger pieces. Then we will add olive oil into a pan. We'll wait for the oil to become hot. When the oil is hot, we will add all the bell peppers or capsicum as you call it into it and fry it. When the capsicum or bell peppers look done, we'll give it a stir. They have reduced in size and become tender, and now we will take them out in a bowl and keep them aside. You can see the color of the capsicum or the bell peppers has changed. Now after opening the lid of the tomatoes, we will add more oil to them. The oil that was left over from the bell peppers, and we will add ground spices into it. We will give it a stir. And we will now fry it in a pan. When the tomatoes are fried, we will add the bell peppers to them. We will fry them again together until the tomatoes are done. Then we will add the water. We have to add the water because we want the bell peppers to become tender and we want them to absorb the flavors of the tomato. So we will cook the tomatoes and the bell peppers together. Here you can see that I am giving them a stir. Now I have covered the lid of the pan and I will cook them on high to medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. So you can see that the tomatoes look nice and I have garnished them with coriander leaves. You can eat it with chapati or naan or rice. Please try this recipe and let me know. Thank you for watching our channel.